Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I found GMC. This car have a problem. Steering assist is reduced. Drive with care. This warning light came and traction light on. You can see here start car. This is GMC Yukon 2020 model. I will show you what is the problem actually and why this warning light came. Why this warning came, steering assist reduce. See, when I scan full scan car, there is three fault in electronics brake control module. So we see now what is the problem, why this warning light came. Steering position signal calibration not learned. That's the main problem. So now steering is straight, so we'll see in live data. Steering wheel angle, now steering straight ahead, but in live data there is a wrong. You can see 720. That's the problem, and that's why this warning light came. Steering assist is reduced, drive with care. That's the issue. Okay, so we have to replace steering angle sensor, or if we remove steering angle sensor and proper alignment, and need to calibrate with scanner. Okay, thank you.